Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious egg stew. So guys, if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. So guys, for this recipe, I will be needing some spinach, and I'm going to be leaving everything that I use for this recipe, all the details, in the description box below so you can check it out. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, what are you still waiting for? Run out and hit that subscribe button, and remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will always notify you anytime I upload a new video. So I will be needing some fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet, onions, ginger, and some garlic. Vegetable oil, some paprika, salt, seasoning, baking soda, and some ginger powder. I'm going to be using some shrimps. I'll be using 6 eggs for this recipe. All depends on how many people you want to make this egg stew for. I've sliced and washed the spinach. I'm going to be adding some baking soda. I like washing my spinach with some baking soda. That will retain the color of the spinach. I'm going to make sure I squeeze out all the water away from the spinach because I don't want too much liquid for this egg stew. Here is the tomatoes. I've taken off all the seed away from inside, and I've cut the tomatoes into a tiny pieces. I've cleaned up the shrimps. I'm going to be spicing the shrimps with some salt, garlic, and some seasoning. Then I'll mix everything together properly. In a clean pan, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. I'll add the shrimps, and I'm going to make sure I cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes, the both sides. So now the shrimp is ready. I'm going to set it aside for later. In another pan, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. Then I will add the onions and the pepper that I chopped together. I'll make sure I stir everything together. Then I'll allow the onions and the pepper to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll add the chopped tomatoes. I'll add ginger, paprika, and some seasoning. I'm going to stir everything together. You want to stir it continuously, time to time. Just stir everything together because you don't want the sauce to get burnt at the bottom of the pot. So that is why you need to stir it time to time. Then I will allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to pour in the eggs. Then I will cover it with a low heat. I will allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. So now 2 minutes have passed. I'm just going to give it a nice stir, because you don't want your egg stew to get burnt at the bottom. So you just want to give it a nice stir time to time. Then I'll cover it again. I will leave it for just 1 minute. So it's time for me to add the spinach. Then make sure you stir everything together, and you're doing this with a low heat because I don't want mine to be too dry. I just want the egg stew to be a little bit watery because I'm going to use mine to eat rice. You can also use it to eat fried plantain. You can use it to eat yam. So it's time for me to add the shrimp. Then I'll stir it. I'll just leave it for just 1 minute. Then it's done. So guys, this recipe was really delicious. You can give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and remember to set that notification bell icon to all. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.